Now let me just do a quick walk through the CRM and why I believe this is one of the best options you could possibly have for your business in terms of lead generation. This is a professionally designed CRM that normally agencies are using to generate leads, but now it is available to you as well to use at your convenience. So the dashboard is customizable and you will be able to see the stats and all that kind of stuff. It's very exciting, but we can look at it later when we have the actual numbers together. The fact that this CRM is able to provide us with the communication, two-way communication, so we are able to send text messages as well as emails. So you can see the text message looks like the blue one and the email looks like this. And we can also get the responses back. We can keep normal communication. We can actually know everything about that particular contact. Gives us a lot of information and a lot of the possibility to, to make the sale successful. So when you look at the contacts, we'll go through the contact section in a minute, but basically there is a lot that you can do with the contact itself, which makes it also very exciting. The opportunities section has all those pipelines, the columns with different leads, and that gives you an opportunity to see precisely where you've got stuck, where you need improvements. That gives you an opportunity to follow up with the leads who were not responsive or who booked into the classes and didn't show, and all that kind of stuff. There's a lot of possibilities in this and a lot of flexibility on how you can arrange it for yourself. But visually, can you imagine, normally I face that people have just that mess into with their leads. The leads are coming from everywhere and they don't even know what stage they are, and they don't understand, they forget to respond and all that kind of stuff. Not anymore, because you're highly organized here and you can do a lot and you can automate. The next section is marketing section, and there is also a lot that you can do within your marketing, such as create campaigns that you will be creating for your leads. You can create automatic messages, text messages and emails, and even Facebook Messenger campaigns. So all that kind of stuff that you want to send out, and you already have that preloaded in your CRM so that you can quickly go in and customize it for yourself. There is a lot more. We will not go through that today, probably, except the SMS and email templates, which are very convenient. You can always add a template and choose text or email template, and then whenever you go back into your conversation, you can see here that we have SMS and email. For example, I wanted to send an SMS, and very quickly I just use a template that I have created. Just choose a template and it will preload. So out of that section, at least look at this, but otherwise you can build forums, you can do the surveys and all that kind of stuff. So it's very exciting. You also have reporting, scheduling, which is very important. You can do set the calendars for yourself and manage all of the appointments in this section. As well as you are able to manage your reputation reviews, reputation via reviews via Google Maps and Facebook, which is very convenient because you don't have to log in into anywhere else. You just have everything in one place and you can always respond to those reviews. The contact section itself is probably the most important one for you. Is the contacts and smart lists. We can also do quite a lot with all the contacts and smart lists. Here with all the filters and everything else, we can find contacts and manage contacts. But one of the exciting things that I wanted to go through is, if you go through, press onto the contact icon, then actually you will be able to see on the right hand side all the activities that they've done, if they looked, how they came to you, like you will see everything here. You can create tasks for that person. For example, if somebody asks you to follow up later, you create a task for you. You can always do the notes, just create a notes, and you can see what appointments they're in, as well as you are able to see all their information in one place. You can add them to different offers, add them to the campaigns, opportunities, all done from one place. You can see the general info and as well as the additional information with the questions that you've asked in your form or through a survey, so anything else. So when we go back here, the next one is funnels and websites. Now, can you imagine that you can create a funnel just with a few clicks, and now it's all available to you, so it's already preloaded by us, and you can see if you go and just click on the edit, you will be able to see the pages, and we can go through that in another session. But basically, when you go through the funnel, you one of the exciting things I think we have here is that we also have the stats, so we can understand where exactly our funnel is working, where it's not working, where we need to change things, as well as many other things. You can create websites, and very excitingly, you can create your own courses, and you can even sell them if you like. So there is a specific area of the membership where you create your own course and assign everything else. I'm more than happy to share information with you on how to do it if you are interested. So if you go back, we also have a section which might not sound as exciting to you, called triggers, but in fact this is one of the most exciting places to be, because literally you can do whatever you like with the CRM. Once you learn the power of triggers, it's truly amazing. Like, many CRMs are limited to certain functions, whereas here you can choose hundreds and hundreds of different options with the triggers by just learning and knowing how to create them. And you don't have to really, because we already help you with the triggers and all that kind of stuff if you go through the program, as well as the other things are in here. In general, I want to say that this CRM replaces like maybe around 10 to 20 to maybe more different tools that usually we need to pay for. That includes email marketing service, SMS service, things like ClickFunnels, which might cost you up to $300 a month, things like Kajabi, where you upload courses, which is also like $300 a month, as well as many other things, so like reputation management software, or this CRM actually even has the capability to create service or to even collect the signatures if you want to sign contracts, and so all these little bits and pieces which would normally cost you like $1,000 a month, it's all in one place. You don't need to go anywhere, you don't need to pay anymore. You can customize it to work for yourself. So I hope that you're really excited about trying it out and setting it up for yourself and seeing how that works. I know it might sound overwhelming and confusing in the beginning, but the more you use it, the more you love it. Well, that's it for today, and I see you in the next video. Bye.